Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the online scam related to the website Borbet.live. This website, Borbet.live, is totally faulty and truly deceptive. Today, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to scare people into thinking that their computer is horribly damaged and infected. Borbet.live displays scary pop-ups indicating that somehow they are related to Apple Care Protection Plan. But this is not true. All these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. Do not interact with them. Simply leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend that you carefully investigate your system with a combo cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start carefully researching and investigating the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.